morning, everyone. This is Fawad Sabri. I'm studying Masters in International Business at EMS. As I told you guys last time, we have a business project with Deutsche Bahn, and today we have the last presentation. Hi guys, so I'm back in school. We just presented our final recommendation to Deutsche Bahn. It was a great opportunity to work with Deutsche Bahn on a project like this for us as students. It was an amazing opportunity. So I'm done with the lectures today. It was a very busy day, but a really nice day. We had a very good presentation, and next week we have our exam. So best of luck to me, and I wish you guys a very good evening, and see you guys some other time.